In this problem, a man in a lift which is ascending up with an acceleration a in the first situation throws a ball vertically upward with a velocity v with respect to himself and catches it in t1 seconds. Afterwards, when the lift is descending with the same acceleration a acting downwards, the man again throws the ball vertically upward with same velocity with respect to him and catches it after time t2. Now we need to choose the correct option. So lift is ascending with a, so velocity of the particle with respect to lift is as g is downward with respect to lift, the velocity acceleration of the particle is g plus a. So time of flight t1 is equal to 2v by g plus a. This is in the first situation. And similarly, when the lift is descending, the time of flight t2 is equal to 2v by g minus a. So here from we have g plus a is equal to 2v by t1 and g minus a is equal to 2v by t2. So adding these two relations we have 2g is equal to 2v into 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2, or we have v to be equal to g by 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2, or we have g t1 t2 by t1 plus t2. This is the velocity, and putting v in the first equation we have a to b, or subtracting these two relations we can write 2a to be equal to 2v into 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2, or we have a to be equal to v into 1 by t1 minus 1 by t2. If I put the value of v here, it is g t1 t2 by t1 plus t2 into, this can be written as t2 minus t1 by t1 t2, or acceleration can be written as g t2 minus t1 by t2 plus t1. Now let us look at the options. The acceleration of the ball with respect to ground is g when it is in air. It is obvious, as the ball is falling freely under gravity, so its acceleration is g. This is the first option. That is correct. Option B says the velocity of ball v relative to the lift is g t1 plus t2 by t1 t2, but here we obtain v to be equal to g t1 t2 by t1 plus t2. So option B is wrong. C says the acceleration of the lift is g t2 minus t1 by t1 plus t2. The acceleration we found g t2 minus t1 by t2 plus t1. C is correct option. And D option says the velocity of ball relative to the man is g t1 t2 by t1 plus t2, which we already obtained v to be equal to g t1 t2 by t1 plus t2. So D option is also correct, and correct answers are A, C and D.